It's day 2 of the Sacred Goddess Retreat. In this video, I'm going to be sharing the effects, the reaction to the colon cleanse that we did yesterday. I will be sharing my experience, and my roomie will also share her experience. So you're going to want to stick around for that, especially if you have never done a colon cleanse before. By the way, let me know in the comments, have you ever done a colon cleanse? If yes, comment yes. If no, comment no, so I can see how many of you have done a colon cleanse and how many of you have not done a colon cleanse. It's recommended that you do a colon cleanse at least once per year. So if you have never done one, I recommend that you watch until the end, so at least you know what the reaction or what the effects of the colon cleanse might be for you. If you're new here, hi, I'm Stasia Alicia and I'm on a wellness and healing journey. I will take you on this journey by sharing what I'm eating and everything I'm learning on this journey, whether it's about herbs or self-healing techniques or healing principles. Whatever it is, I will share it with you. I will also share what I'm doing and any inspiring stories that may offer a new perspective or challenge an old one. I will also share my experience traveling locally and internationally, as that is also a part of my wellness journey. Just traveling and learning and seeing new things and meeting new people. Currently, I'm in the mountains of St. Lucia for the Sacred Goddess Retreat. If you have not yet watched the arrival video and the day 1 video, then go do so now before you watch the rest of this video. I leave the links in the comment section, so go watch those, arrival and day 1, and then come back to this. Priest Kailash officially welcomed us to Mount Kailash. For breakfast we had coconut water, fruits, quinoa and sea moss porridge, and patchouli tea. We got a gift bag that had a self-love coloring book and journal from Caroline Purcell. And for lunch we had stewed green papaya, we had black beans, quinoa, green bananas and pak choy. We then had a skincare session with Goddess Valerie, and she taught us how to cup our faces as part of a skincare regimen. For dinner we had a bouillon. I'll put the spelling on screen. It's an all-in-one soup pot. And we also had coconut cake for dessert. Remember, this is all plant-based, Ital clean vegan cuisine. If you have reached this far in the video, comment the word true, because I know that you are a true supporter and a true member of my community. So let me tell you about that colon cleanse. My gosh, so we took it about 10 p.m. or 10:30 thereabout. They had said that it would, start to react between taking it and by you wake up at 6 a.m. that you would have spent the night defecating, releasing all the toxins, all the waste from your body. So I thought something was wrong with me, because my roommate was going at it all night through to in the morning, the early morning, 3 a.m., 4 a.m. She was going to the bathroom, going back to bed, going to the bathroom, going back to bed. And I was not having a reaction. So I thought that something was wrong. My reaction didn't start until about 8:30, about 8:30 a.m. So let me tell you about that. Everything came out, but one of the things that it does to you is that if you know how urinating heavily feels, that's how it feels. It feels like you're urinating out of your bottom. That's how it feels. Don't it? Like, oh, it feels like you're urinating out of your bottom. So if you walk, and because mine started 8:30 a.m., I was afraid to go to the sessions that we had, because then I didn't want to have to run back to the bathroom, because it just comes on you suddenly like a thief in the night. And yeah, so if you have ever done a colon cleanse, I don't know if all colon cleanses are the same, but this particular one, it's, trust me, it's good. Just in my case, it doesn't work the same for everybody, but normally you would go during the night, so when you wake up in the morning you're good to go. But even if it doesn't happen that way, I would say give it a 12-hour period. For some it's shorter, but I would say give it a 12-hour period to trust that you're good to go. But you can't eat or drink anything after you have taken it. So that's one, until until the time period is up. And also, before you take it, you can't have anything heavy. So we had a soup, and after you take it, you can't eat or drink until, let's say, that 12-hour period. So that was my experience. You want to share your experience? So my roommate, the hot 70-year-old that's looking like 50, share your experience with them, Maxie.
Well, most of it is very good, but the end is embarrassing. I got here Sunday night a little late, so by the time I took my Colax, it was 10:30. Finished eating, so I came in the room. I drank it at 11:30. I went to bed, and around 3:30, action started. So every 30 minutes to the bathroom.
Off to the bathroom.
To the bathroom. All the way until early morning. And so around 8, I took a shower, got dressed. I thought I was fine. I felt good. And then I put my clothes on. I went walking down the hill. And oh my goodness, I had to turn around and run back to
Yeah.
And it comes out like, it was like water, because I had gone all night. So all the heavy substance was out. Now was all the liquid.
Right, that's what happens. It feels like after the heavy stuff comes out, it actually feels that you are urinating through your bottom.
Yes, it did. It was that way.
But yes, I promise you that I will tell you what the effects of the colon cleanse. I will feel good after.
Yes.
But yes. But I'm introducing you to Maxine, because I have to do an interview with Maxine, because we need to know how to look so youthful. What's her secret to youthfulness at the age of 70? So if you want to see that video, comment below, because I know I want to know, but I can know and not share. So if you want to know, you want me to share, then comment below. And big up Maxine. Put some comments and big up my hot roommate Maxine. Alright.
Bye-bye.
Thanks again for watching. Until next time, blessed love.